So aside sa mga pinasalamatan mo for this content and for the people that diba, supported you, baka gusto mo silang i-invite to some of your projects or the projects of your events?
Yes, of course. Thank you so much, Ma'am Febs.
Uh-uh.
I would like to invite all of you, especially the people of Camarines Norte, to please do support. And I would like to invite you to come and join our ALM Events Expo 2025 Camarines Norte's Events Professionals. So we have gathered here professionals, events expert in the entire province of Camarines Norte. This will be starting on September 30 to October 6, 2025 in SM City Diet, second floor, in front of Biggs. So I am expecting you, all of you buddies, that you will come and get promos because we will be offering to you some discounts, promos para sa aming mga services and for your forthcoming events. And that's all. Thank you and see you.
Thank you.
Thank you
That's
so
something
much
to
po.
look forward. Mga kaOn The Go. Yeah, please do support them. ALM Expo at SM City Diet.
Thank you.
Thank you.